So we are going to start with this. So you can see the upper shape is like this for this batch, and at the lower section we have this. Fine. So first let us complete this. For this we want total 12 circles. 4 circles of orange color, 4 circles of green color, and 4 circle of white color. But while adjusting, both the whites will come in both the sides. Okay, that I am going to teach you how you are going to adjust it. So all the circles are equal in size. Remember that all the circles are equal in size. Fine. The radius for each circle is 2 centimeter. Okay, so total length of the diameter will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so see, here I have taken this kind of a paper. If I fold it like this, okay, first folding, second folding, and third folding, just making it like a square. Okay, so what will happen? Again I'll show. This was a simple like this paper. This is a simple way of cutting. In one cutting we'll get 6 circles. Total 6 circle in one cutting. So I am folding it like this. One fold, second and third fold. Then you can take like this, or you can use rounder. Okay, whatever you have. Right now I'm using this. Okay, and I'll take a circle. Just have a look. It's a very nice trick to get proper circle in a very less time. See, I have taken the circle like this, and now I'll just cut it like this. Have a look, have a look. You will also see so many circles coming out in just one cutting. So it's not required that for 4 circles 4 times you are making diameter like this, complete circle, and then you're cutting. So if you can fold it properly, you're going to get 6 circles. Cut it properly. Okay, see, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 circles I got, right? Can you see? Isn't it a good trick to get the cuttings fast? So you can follow the same trick and do it for all the colors. It is looking like this. 4 strips of orange circle, 4 I have here. I'll keep 4 green and 4 white. Fine, this is a little big circle because I am going to use it as a base. Now what will I do? The next step is we have to convert each and every circle into a semicircle like this. Just fold each and every one like this, so that it becomes a semicircle. It should look like this. Open one side and fold it from the other side. Okay. After we are done with this kind of a folding of all the circles except the base circle, okay? No need to fold the base circle. It is the base. Now we have to arrange, okay? To get like this look. Now I have to arrange one by one like this in a circular position. So this is my base. So like this. First understand how I am positioning, okay? I have taken one orange and I will putting glue over here, thoda sa over here, little bit over here, any corner. If you are going to stick it like this, okay, if you are going to stick it like this, you have to put glue little bit over here and little bit at the down over here. I mean to say here and here. Okay, and exactly if this is the middle, of the circle, try to just, can you see the dot which I put in the middle for this circle? So I will put it like this. The second orange, I'll take it like this. In the thoda sa it will be touching the other circle, and you have to keep it like this. See, can you see how it is looking? Third circle will come like this. Fourth I have to, but the gum application is same. You have to put gum over here, the glue at the down part. Here also down part. After putting the glue, I will insert it like this. Can you see how it is looking? This is how I will be doing for all the things. Then two white color will come. So white paper will come like this. Again white paper will come like this. Here I am not sticking all the white together. Only two. Because other two I require over this side. Okay? Now see. The green color will come like this. Since I have not put glue right now, I have not put the glue, so they are a little bit थोड़ा वो हिल रहे हैं. If I go on sticking, it will be absolutely fine. उनके positions हो जाएंगे properly. Just trying to make this clear to all of you. Can you see how it is looking? Is it looking like this? Something like this, right? So ऐसे ऐसे आपको join करते हुए जाना है one by one. Okay? Remember this and remember where you have to put the glue. Little bit of glue at the down part like this. If you have to put it like this, down part over here and little bit over here this side. That's it. ज़्यादा glue नहीं लगाना है. Don't put a lot of glue completely inside and completely this part. That is not required. I'll start arranging. I am putting glue inside like this. Little bit. Okay? And I will keep this inside. Again I'll take the glue and put it inside like this. And put the orange over here. So it is something like this. So this is how very diligently you have to do it. See the end part. End mein at the end this white and this orange should go inside the white. Okay, you have to adjust it in that way. So this is only possible if you have used very little glue. Otherwise they will stick in such a way. See, can you see now how it is looking? Is it looking like this same base that I have shown you like this? And now you can put nicely glue over here in this so that everything gets stick properly. And then I'll just place it like this. Like this I'm going. Can you see now? I'll place it. That's why I said this circle should be little more big compared to the each and equal circle. So after assembling all the semicircles together, we are going to get a shape like this. And I have stick another big circle at the back as a base so that all the semicircle get fixed properly. So now they are more stable and they will not come out like this. Even if you try to bring them out, it will not come. Now if you see over here, I have another small circle at the top over here, which is looking like an Ashoka Chakra over here. So we have to now prepare this. For this, take a circle at least 1.5 centimeter in radius or maximum 2 or 2.5 also. It depends how much big circle you are making over here. What is the length of the circles for each. I have taken 4 over here. So here I am taking 1.5 to 2 centimeter radius. So this is my Ashoka Chakra which I have to fix over here. So now before sticking, I will just try to draw the Ashoka Chakra. Okay, I will take a blue color sketch pen. So I took a sketch pen. First do the outline. Okay, Diligently do the outline like this. The outline, it is looking something like this. Now take a scale, and if I mark this as a center, okay, I took the marking as center, I have to make the Ashoka Chakra. So randomly, first one vertical line, standing line like this at the center, and another slipping line exactly from center like this. So once this is done, this much is done, your Ashoka Chakra is very easy to make. Now I am going to make a line in the middle of over here and at the middle between these lines, okay? Angle wise I am going to fix the lines like this. Can you see? So I have to make another line at the middle of this like this. So I will make it in a like this, at the middle like this. Once you are done with this, this is also looking like a Ashoka Chakra, but we require few more lines. So randomly with the scale I can draw, or with the hand also. If you are good in drawing skills, you can draw one line in the middle. See, one line I am drawing from the middle, from middle towards this side, or you can go from this side to here, whichever way you are comfortable. So I have to put some glue over here. Put the glue nicely so that it gets fixed properly at the center of your badge. See, so it is now more nicely fixed when both the side, this circle is also fixed and this circle is also fixed. So your main base at the top part is done. Okay? After doing this part, after sticking the Ashoka Chakra and the base over here, now my badge is quite stable. We have to now do this part, then only it will get completed. Okay, the down part. So I would require 2 strips of white paper. So I'll take 1.5 centimeter ka distance, a distance of 1.5 over here. You can take 2 also if you want, but not more than 2. It will look very broad then. Right now I am taking, I think I will take 2 because 2 will go nicely with my badge. So I am just putting how to take a strip also, that I am showing you, okay, so that you get the proper strip. Now I will join all these points together and I will get a big nice long strip. So I will cut it from here. One more, okay, I'll take out one more over here. If you have very long paper, you have to take this in consideration. Either you have to keep the orange part down, or you can keep as per the our flag color, orange part up, and then you can stick it like this. Okay, so that it looks proper. So this is the base, everything is done, and now just have a look how to do this one. Let me just explain you. These are the strips which I have cut, okay. I have cut a very thin strip of orange color, blue color and green color. Two strips, okay, and I just stuck it over here. I have to stick it over here like this. This is one of the way of doing it. If you don't have very thin strips, quilling strips, you can use a quilling strip also over here. If you don't have quilling strips, you cannot cut properly this much thin lines, okay. Some may find difficulty in cutting thin lines. So what to do in that case? See, you can use it in this way also. Just take orange color sketch pen, okay, keep the orange color over here, make a line over here like this. Okay, orange color line, so I'll take orange color line over here also. If you want more lines, you can create more lines. It's absolutely on you. If I want to create more lines, I'll put one more line over here, and I'll put one more line over here too. Okay, now which color I want? I want a blue, and I want green. Okay, got the green color, and I got the blue color also. First, let me do the green. So similarly, I'll do the green over this side also. This is going to look like this. Point, see, outlook when you like this. And when you're actually drawing something, it is going to look like this. But the tricolor theme can be maintained properly. So this is up to you how you want to decorate this part. I hope more ideas can come into your head also how to do it. So choice is